Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Dunk Low by Nike in the Montreal Bagel Sesame colorway. These were released back on the 18th of January 2023 for the retail price of £115 here in the UK. It comes in a regular red and white box with the shoes wrapped in white paper. A special box would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Like its name suggests, the Sesame gets its name from the white seeds printed on top of the tan mudguard, eye, stay and heel. A slightly paler tan is used on the mid-panel, heel and toe box. A blue swoosh branding sits on both mid-panels, and white branding can be seen at the heel. Unlike the New York style bagel, the Montreal bagel is smaller, thinner, sweeter, with a larger hole, which is always baked in a wood fire oven. Hence why the shoe features a special wood printed insoles. It's then finished with a white midsole and translucent gum outsoles. On feet I stay true to size, but I would recommend going up half a size for wide-footed people. Sometimes I like to look back at old releases that I felt went under the radar and had some nice details. As usual, purchase links with my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment bagel to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss. Do you agree that these are underrated? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.